The US-India Commercial Dialogue and CEO Forum will take place in the capital today. Commerce Minister Suresh Prabhu and US Ambassador to India will have a bilateral meeting. Parikshit Luthra joins in with the significance of this meeting and what could be on the agenda. Hi Parikshit, good morning.
Good morning. There has been a bit of setback because Wilbur Ross, the U.S. Commerce Secretary, will not be able to attend the talks today. His flight couldn't take off due to bad weather in the United States. Though Wilbur Ross will be attending all the meetings via video conferencing, and the U.S. delegation will be led by Kenneth Juster, as you rightly put it. But having said that, this comes at a very crucial time. Both the sides are discussing a trade package currently, trying to agree on a mutual set of areas where they can cooperate. There is going to be a lot of pressure from the U.S. side in this meeting to reduce the trade deficit, which is about $22 billion, increase U.S. exports of crude oil to India. At the same time, get concessions on the new FDI guidelines, which have, in a way, impacted the likes of Amazon, Walmart. There will also be protests about the new data localization norms. So all those things are going to be expressed in that meeting by Kenneth Juster, also the U.S. Commerce delegation. From the Indian side, there have been concerns about the tariffs on steel and aluminium, and this is a point that we are going to make. We will also say that we've consistently been trying to reduce the trade deficit, and it's already come down to $22 billion because of the high levels of energy imports from the United States last year. In the CEO's forum, there will be at least 8 presentations. Suresh Prabhu and Wilbur Ross, Kenneth Juster will be a part of that as well. You'll have N. Chandrasekharan, Chairman Tata Sons, James Tyslet, who is the Chairman American Tower Corporation. They're co-chairing this event. There will be different presentations on MSMEs, infrastructure, defense, logistics, and how to cooperate in this area. There'll be a report that will be given to the principals on possible areas of cooperation. There'll be a review of what happened in the last commercial dialogue, and in the end, there could be some agreement signed on tourism, on standards, on trade and investment as well.
Okay, all right, Parikshit, thanks so much for joining in and filling us in with all those details. We'll keep an eye out on that particular event. Well, moving on to some earnings to watch out for today. United Breweries, that's the one's going to be posting its Q3 numbers. Nupur joins us to run us through all the key expectations. Hey Nupur, good morning. Tell us, what do we expect?
Good morning, Nigel. A strong quarter is expected from the UBL. CNBC TV 18 poll estimates revenue growth of 17%, driven by the volume growth of 13 to 14%. Also, net realizations are expected to rise by 3 to 4%, and operating margins are expected to improve to 14%, and profit growth seen at 83%. Favorable product mix and lower interest costs will drive the growth, and market share, which continues to remain above the 50% plus levels. We'll also watch out for the management comments on any excise hike which can be expected as we enter into election years, and also new launches in the non-alcoholic segment. Earlier this month, management on CNBC TV 18 said that elections are always disruptive for the market, but they expect growth to come back after the post-elections. Also, they said that they will grow faster than the industry growth rate of 6 to 8%. The stock has gained almost 27% in last 1 year and currently is trading at a price to earning of 52 times FY20 expected earnings, which is 60% premium to USL, which is trading at 32 times FY20 expected earnings. Back to you.
All right, Nupur, thanks a lot for that. But it's time for a quick break. Up next, we'll get you a check on the cues to watch in the derivative space. Stay tuned.